The law prohibits gender transition surgeries, adolescence blockers and hormone therapy for people under the age of 18. Especially for people under the age of 18. Idaho's Republican-controlled legislature accepted bill, also known as the Vulnerable Child Protective Action, in February, and Gov.Brad Littlele law in April. Mr. Little said that the ban was trying to protect children. However, large medical organizations, including the American Pediatric Academy, emerged to support gender transition care by saying that bans pose serious mental health risks for young people. In May, 2 Idaho families filed a lawsuit with American Union of Civil Freedoms and other organizations to prevent prohibition from entering into force, claiming that he was contrary and harmful against welfare of transsexual minors. The complaint said, when adolescent patients, parents and doctors acknowledge that medical care causing gender is medically necessary, the laws remove the families from their ability to access such care, he said. It was a long journey to live life as my real self. And medical care has been an important part of this journey, he said. Judge B. Lynn Winmill, who was appointed by President Bill Clinton on December 27, 1995, said in decision, saying that the plaintiffs showed a strong probability of success on essence of their claims. Idaho's legislation is part of a national wave of law aiming to restrict the rights transsexual minors. This year, at least 20 states with Republican-controlled legislative bodies have been prohibited or restrictions on gender transition care for young people. More than half of the states that have passed such prohibitions have been opened in court challenges. In the last months, many judges decided in favor of the plaintiffs who want to temporarily prevent these prohibitions, and he created more uncertainty for their families. In November, plaintiffs in case against Tennessee's ban became first person to want to weigh issue from Supreme Court. In Idaho, law is not only law that limits rights of transsexual youth, which is currently subject of legal wars. Days before Vulnerable Child Protection Act signed a separate invoice affecting the transsexual minors known as Bill 1100. This law forbade transsexual students from using public bathrooms that are not compatible with sex assigned to birth and allowed students to make legal proceedings. The bath ban entered into force on July 1, and in August, judge issued a temporary limitation order that paused implementation of the law until court decided whether precautionary measure was made. For now, while transgender minors in Idaho can still take gender transition care, challenge of state ban continues to go through legal system.